Get ready to be blown away, guys, because this is how, you know how I've been talking about making Facebook your partner, making Facebook work for you? Well, this is how we make Facebook work for you, okay? This is how Facebook protects us even while we're sleeping. Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. Now, this is kind of like next level thing, right? It's once you know how to find your audience, once you know how to do the right creative, how to do copywriting, how to test a bunch of different things, automated rules is like next level thing to be able to scale your business, your ads, your advertising, your overall efforts, okay? So it's a very, very important component. I have just, even after I went through the entire training and I recorded the course, guys, I developed a new system for scaling. Now, I did a Facebook post the other day, and a lot of you guys asked about how to have more of a mind map, clear picture, step by step. We're working on it, okay? I have a team of people working on delivering this for you guys. But if you guys know me, I don't do anything in life half-assed. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it correctly, and I'm gonna do it in a professional way. So I'm gonna do something that you guys are gonna be really happy about. Now, this is the thing. When it comes to a roadmap, when it comes to a step-by-step process, social media, you gotta take it with a grain of salt, because there's no such thing as a real roadmap that lasts forever in the social media game. The thing is changing too damn fast. There's too many things moving too fast, okay? So many, like, it's crazy how I don't even think about new opportunities, and then Facebook rolls them out, and I'm like, whoa, look at that. There's a bunch of new opportunities. Like right now, Facebook Stories is becoming huge now again, even for businesses. They just keep on rolling out opportunities. Did you guys see that about the Facebook groups? We announced that last week. Now you can start, it's rolling out right now, but you're gonna be able to advertise on the Facebook group newsfeed. There's a lot of opportunities that keep on expanding. So there's not a simple cookie cutter, copy and paste strategy that is gonna be universal, but I'm gonna give you guys a mold, and as the things change, I'm gonna give you guys a new updated mold so we can just stay active in this dynamic. You know how we have dynamic product ads? Well, we have dynamic strategy adjustment. Basically, that's what Facebook is. You have to continuously adjust the strategy based on what's going on in the platform. Facebook has given us massive traffic and access to this wealth of potential customers. Now, we as the entrepreneurs, as the marketers, as the brands, we have to continuously adjust ourselves and be willing to put ourselves in front of the opportunity and just learn from it and don't complain and just adjust as we go along, right?